So hey guys, and it's time to talk about the top 10 features of the brand new OnePlus 8 Pro. This is the most high-end flagship OnePlus has ever made, and this one has all the main flagship features that destroys the Galaxy S20 Plus and also the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's crazy to see that from a flagship killer to a killer flagship, OnePlus has done amazing progress. They have also added so many new features and done so many important changes. Let's talk about them. So number 1, that display. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with an amazing record-breaking Samsung's panel, which is the best according to DisplayMate. This display is better than the Galaxy S20 Ultra and has more bright screen. OnePlus has done so many changes like added HDR10 Plus support, 4096 kinds of auto brightness level, 1300 nits of brightness and whatnot. Number 2, smoothest experience ever. OnePlus is using 120Hz Quad HD Plus panel along with MEMC, that's motion estimation, motion compensation. Even Samsung has not done 120Hz at 1440p, but OnePlus is giving you all the options including 1440p, 1080p, 90Hz option along with default 60Hz and 120Hz. Number 3, MEMC. Motion estimation, motion compensation is gonna add frames to your video. It's gonna convert 24 FPS to 120 FPS, which is amazing. I haven't seen such amazing feature inside a smartphone. Just imagine watching a 24 frames per second movie to the highest 120 FPS. Such fluid display and such fluid performance you're gonna notice. Also, it's gonna support 12 applications, most of them we use daily. Number 4, wireless charging. Yes guys, the feature most are waiting for is finally here. Wireless charging with OnePlus own wireless charging stand. The 8 Pro supports 30 watts of fast charging and 30 watts of wireless fast charging, which is crazy. 50% power in 30 minutes and 100% in 80 minutes. There's also reverse wireless charging, which is an emergency feature to charge other devices via your smartphone. Number 5, IP68 certification. Yes, another feature that OnePlus has done is IP68 rating, and that means water and dust proof. This is something all flagship phones should come with cause it's an emergency feature. Accidental water splash, rain and swimming with your device is not gonna break your phone at all. Number 6, brand new custom Sony sensor. So the OnePlus 8 Pro comes with IMX689, which is made by Sony, came with Oppo Find X2 Pro, and now OnePlus is gonna use it. The sensor also has omnidirectional PDAF, which is gonna help in focusing in low lighting condition, which works impressively. OnePlus also shared some camera samples and they look super impressive. There's also OIS plus EIS for amazing stabilization in there. Secondary shooter is IMX586 wide angle, so you're gonna get amazing clarity, and then we have a telephoto and 5 megapixel color filter, which is gonna help in maintaining color accuracy and avoid under and oversaturated shots. There's also audio zoom feature for video recording, so that's something impressive. Number 7, all 5G. This time OnePlus is going with all 5G in the OnePlus 8 series. There's no LTE variant like what Samsung did with the Exynos S20 and S20 Plus. They know people use their devices for a really long time, like even my friends are using years old OnePlus 3, 3T and also 5. So yes, 5G is something that you won't regret in the future. Number 8, new color options. We have Glacier Green, which is the best in the 8 Pro. There's also Ultramarine Blue and Onyx Black. The 8 gets beautiful interstellar glow, green and onyx black. There's gradient finish in all the exclusive color options, so they look pretty unique and attractive. We also have some exciting limited edition cases which look super great. Number 9, beast performance. So OnePlus is adding the latest flagship CPU, that's 8655G silicon along with latest LPDDR5 RAM. This is something Samsung should have done. They have also done some exclusive changes in the software department for crazy fast experience and also enhance the user interface for 120Hz smoothness. Number 10, pricing. OnePlus says even the highest model of the OnePlus 8 Pro with all the exciting features I mentioned won't reach $1,000 mark, and that means it won't surpass the Samsung Galaxy S20 base model. This is something good cause you won't see such feature inside any flagship below $1,000 mark. So that's all guys, top 10 features of this beast OnePlus 8 Pro. Which feature excites you the most? Let me know in the comment section and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.